What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Black Opinion, the tech guy here. Today we're just doing a short video on which camera has the better ability to do to do videos in low light situations. So on the one camera I'm using is the Insta360 Ace Pro, and the other one I'll be comparing it to will be the Action5. These both have the ability to shoot in low light conditions. For the Insta360, it is known as pure video, and for the Action5 it is known as super night. So both of these I'm shooting in 4K at 30. Both have stabilization enabled, and that is pretty much as far as it can go. You can do a little bit of color grading, or color correcting if you wanted to do so in post edit, but if you just wanted to shoot video just straight out without having to worry about doing all of that, basically this is the settings that you would have for both of these. And as you can see, although I am on my way to work and it's a little bit cold out here, there's a little bit of light. I got like the street lamps up in the corner, but that's about as much light as I'm gonna get, as it is a little bit dark here in Anchorage, Alaska, and it doesn't get any brighter for another month or so. But if you wanted to shoot this in any type of a low light situation, whether it be with the Insta360 or with the Action5, this is the quality that you would get with both of these. So what do you think about the qualities between them both? Which one would you choose? Do you think that the the Ace Pro works, or do you think that the Action5 is better for low light? Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll have a much better comparison in a later video. Otherwise, I want to thank everybody for watching. My name is Black Opinion, the tech guy. See you guys in the next video.